Hello everyone, it's Lovette Chisom here again. If today is your first time of coming across my video, you are welcome. Please subscribe, like and drop your comment. It helps my algorithm a lot. If there is any video you want me to make, please drop it on the comment section. On today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this elastic waist band with eyelet and rope. Okay, let us go. Okay, let us begin. We are going to use elastic band of 2 inches, 2.5 inches. Then we are going to cut out 4 inches on our fabric. 4 inches on our, this is 2.5 inches. I'm trying to measure it here. Then for your fabric, it will be 4 inches, please. Okay, the first thing you're going to do is to measure the waist of your trouser waist. Whatever you get, use it to cut out your fabric, your band on your fabric. Measure around your waist, the waist of your trouser, then use it to cut out your fabric. So mine was 53 inches. I used it to cut it out. Then for my elastic, my waist is 32 inches, but I cut out 27 inches on my elastic. By the time I use 1 inch to join, it will remain 26 inches. So how to join? You are going to get the 2 edges of your fabric, join them together like I am doing mine now. Then you sew. Join right side to right side. Then you sew. So that is how to join it. You sew. So the same thing you did on the fabric, we are going to repeat it on our band. We are going to join our band together. Please, the place that you joined, the 2 edges that you joined will serve as the center, and that is where our eyelet will be. Please, I'm trying to trim it here. That is where our eyelet will be. The 2 edges that we joined will serve as center. Okay, so right here I'm going to do the same thing on the band. So after that, we are going to get your fabric. You are going to get your fabric. So open it up. This is place that we joined. Then you fold it into 2. It serve as center. Make sure you fold it. You divide it equally. So this place now will serve as center. So right here we are going to measure 2.5 inches. That's our band. 2.5 inches for our band. After measuring the 2.5 inches, you are going to that 2.5 inches. You are going to divide it into 2. 2.5 divide into 2. I think it should be 1.6. So that 1.6 will be at the center where our eyelet will be. So on that place that we join, that will serve as the center, go the measure half inch on both sides. I will bring it close for you to see. Half inch on both sides. That is where we are going to place our eyelet. Okay, let me fix the eyelet now and show you. So look at it. This is our eyelet, I believe. Okay, I will make a video on how to fix eyelet. If you are watching this video, you don't know how to fix eyelet, I will make a video about it. So when fixing eyelet, make sure you open it up and fix. So right here, you're going to place your band inside your eyelet, inside your fabric now, and show. So let me show you how to sew it. Place your band inside your fabric. Then as you are sewing, you'll be dragging. This is not what you do rush. If you are sewing this band this way now, you are not going to rush it, or you will calm down and do it. Okay, so you will drag it before you sew. Hold with your machine, drag, then you sew. That is what I'm doing here. You drag, then you sew. Look at it. It will be folding. You will continue to do it this way till you sew it round. Okay, you drag, you sew. You drag, then you sew. This is how you continue to do it. You drag, you sew. Okay, please, if you are not understanding what I'm saying, just watch what I'm doing. If you have watched this video to this point, Thank you very much. I so much appreciate. Look at it. After sewing, you trim out the excess. I've trimmed out the excess here. Okay. After sewing it, you are going to trim out the excess. After trimming the excess, this is how it's going to look like. So the next thing you will do is to run a stitch. Run a second stitch there. Watch my fingers, how I'm directing you. Run a second stitch there. Now you get your strap, fold it this way, fold it the way I'm folding it, go to your sewing machine and sew it. After sewing it like that, you're going to use your safety pin to insert it on in your band. Okay, you sew it like this. Then after that, you're going to use your safety pin to insert it in your band. That is, use your safety pin. You are going to insert it and it will come out to the other side. Okay, so look at it. This is the final result. Thank you very much. I so much appreciate. If you watch this video to the end, I so much appreciate. Thank you very much. God bless you. I love you all. I love and appreciate every one of you watching my video. Thank you. Thank you. Remain blessed. Bye. Kudos. Mwah.